today, we're going to take a look at 15 of the most ferocious and dangerous dogs you should fear the most. Before we do that, we have a quick quiz for you. Which of these dogs do you think has the most powerful bite of all? Put your answers in the comments down below. Number 15. Akita. The name might be cute, but the breed certainly isn't. It is one of the most fearsome guard dogs to originate from Japan, only second to the Tosa, which were bred as fighting dogs. Even today, the Akita remains the national dog breed and is a symbol of Japan. These dogs are confident, independent, and bred to provide world-class protection for any family. They can also be rather suspicious and aloof around strangers, and perceive unfamiliar people as dangerous, even if they are not. As a result, their protective instincts kick in, and they attack. They can deal some real damage as they are quite large and strong. So you might want to tread very lightly if you ever visit someone with an Akita guard dog. Number 14.